I have met with the three boards. We have not concluded anything at this stage, but the discussions are at an advanced stage to try and ensure that there will be quality FTP going forward. And we are in the process of concluding with all other nations and all other boards. And the CEO is going to take that process to its conclusion. Because now what we want is to agree on the format here and there, the matter of details and content of that. But the discussions have taken place with all other boards that we play against. The investigation regarding our CEO is still continuing. In fact, there had been overtures to try and say, can't we perhaps pull this back? But we have made it very clear that we want it to continue so that it gives us finality. And I have also spoken to the president of the ICC when I was in Singapore to say to him, I would want a situation where he facilitates and ensure that this investigation is concluded as soon as possible. And therefore, we're hoping that he's going to respond, and if he does not respond, possibly we'll have to request him to respond on this matter, because it's important for us to have our CEO performing his duties without any limits. And on the matter of the BCCI around Harun and the stuff like that, that's where we stand, even with the BCCI, that the investigation must continue. And we have met with the BCCI, just like as we have met with all other nations, because you have these bilaterals taking place in and around the ICC meetings. We have not joined the big three. We remain a member of the ICC, and we are part of the family of the ICC. And we have interacted with the originators of the proposals, and they happen to be the three boards. And therefore, in our interaction with those proposals and also the three boards, we were able to get a better understanding. And you shall understand, and I hope you do, that what was put on the table on the 9th is totally different, especially in form and content, to what was put on the table on the 28th in Dubai. Hence, we said we needed time to go back. Hence, the meeting was held in Singapore the past week. There has been significant movement, and therefore we had to find a way to say, can we live with this? Can we work within this environment, which we did. I don't think we necessarily had to give up our rights. We still remain full members of the ICC. The view is that we want to have more test matches played against, especially your serious test playing countries. And that is the foundation and premise from which we're moving when we negotiate with them. And as I'm saying to you, we're on the verge of concluding those agreements. But as you would understand that when you enter into negotiations, there's a lot that happens. It can change from 1 hour to the next, but that's where we are. We want more content, we want more test matches.